holy night, when hearts in longing pray, your love descends like quiet light and washes fear away. Not fleeting sparks nor fragile